Assalamu alaikum, dear student. This class 9 subject English. You will open your book at page number 34. We are continuing the lesson. They had the fun, and we are doing the language work. Now there is a uh, there is an another important aspect about the adverbs. Remember, an adverb describes action. You can form adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. So you have to remember that these adverbs describe action. Describes action. These describe actions. Verb shows action, while as adverb describes action. We can say that he is working quickly, he is walking slowly. So that describes the action. Describes the action. You can also form the adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. For making the adverbs, we can add ly to adjectives. Just here you see spelling notes. When an adjective ends in y, जब एक एडजेक्टिव y पे खत्म होता है, the y changes to I. तो ये जो y है चेंज I होता है when you add ly to form an. जब हम एक एडवर्ब को जब हम एक एडजेक्टिव को एडवर्ब बनाने के लिए ly लगाते हैं. जैसे अब अगर यहाँ देखेंगे लाइक एन एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंग्री, ANGRY. तो इसका जो एडजेक्टिव अगर हम देखेंगे ANGRILY, एंग्री, एंग्रीली. नाउ मेक एडवर्ब्स फ्रॉम दीज एडजेक्टिव्स नाउन्स. तो इनको हमें बनाना है एडजेक्टिव्स. ये नाउन्स हैं या एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. जैसे बनाइए आप, अगर आप देखेंगे एंग्री तो ऊपर दिया गया है एंग्रीली. यू कैन सी हियर आल्सो एंग्री, एंग्रीली. हैप्पी, हैप्पी, हैप्पीली. HAPPILY, हैप्पी, HAPPY एडजेक्टिव है. तो जब हम यहाँ लिखेंगे HAPPILY, हैप्पीली. मैरी, MERRY, तो एडजेक्टिव बनेगा MERRILY, मैरीली. स्लीप, SLEEPSLEEPILY, sleepily. EASY, easy, EASILY, easily. Noise, 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 NOISILY, noisily. TIDY, 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 tidy. तो क्या बनेगा इसको TIDILY, tidily, tidily. 8th part GLOOM, gloom, gloomy, GLOOMILY, gloomy. THOUGHTFUL, thoughtful. This is an adjective. Thoughtfully, THOUGHTFUL, thoughtfully. इसी तरह है beautiful, beautiful, beautifully, beautifully, beautifully. Dear students, I will give you 5 more words than that 5 more words, adjectives, that you will make the adjectives from those adverbs, from those adjectives. You can write careful. Write the word in your copy. Careful, careful. Hardy, HARDY, hardy. लिखा आपने hardy. तो तीसरा वर्ड आप लिखें क्विक, क्विक. स्लो, स्लो. परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट. हरी, हरी. सैड, SAD, sad. Dear students, inshallah we will continue it here from tomorrow. Thanks.